So guys, if you have seen the previous video, you guys probably heard I said I had a long flight ahead of me. Well, all day yesterday I was flying and I landed in the middle of the night. The homies picked me up and we pretty much came by, grabbed some food, went straight to the place to sleep. And today I'm just hanging out with a lot of my friends and some familiar faces over at S1 Built. But I want to tell you guys really quickly the reason why I decided to make this trip is because one, this guy was like, yo, grab your ticket, let's make this thing happen. Dave was like, don't miss out on this event, he's gonna be out here racing. And I was like, I felt like I've been missing a lot of opportunities as of late, and I didn't want to let this one slip under my nose, especially when I was out here last time in Florida with the gang. I mentioned to them that I was gonna try to make it out here at FL2K. So the 5 months flew by super quick. Yeah, it came up and he was like, yo, get your ticket now. And Dave was like, get your ticket now. And literally I purchased my ticket probably 24 hours before my flight. So I wrapped up everything in the garage as fast as I could. That's why the videos ended abruptly, because I had to pack and everything and catch my flight the next morning. I'm grateful to be back out here in Florida with S1 Built right here. And this weekend we're gonna be headed to FL2K and we're gonna enjoy some racing, especially with the homie Dave and his CRX. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, he's been resurrecting that car from his previous car called the Hulk. Yeah, so he's out here with Hellboy now, and his goal is to go 8 and compete in FL2Ks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on the adventure and show you guys what we get into these next couple of days, because we're really just winging it. It's about to be epic. Yeah. Shout out to my boy Raheem, man. You know, this is the guy who owned that Integra that gave me a ride when we were out here in Florida last time. Unfortunately, the car's not out here, but next year is gonna be it.
Yeah, next year.
Yeah.
He coming back next year.
Oh, we coming back next year, man. You guys can count on that for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah, so let's go see what the boys are up to right here in the background. When the owner gave the A-OK to cut, Jay gets down. So Hellboy's out here in Florida, and he came out here to S1 to get a massive upgrade. And on top of this, look at this girthy drive shaft right here. Full custom S1 built with a slip yoke, all upgraded joints and everything, and 60K fluids. This guy right here is gonna feel some neck breaking action with this new setup right here. You ready for it, Dave?
Hell yeah.
Oh, I bet you're ready for it. Yeah, you know, you got Jit out here doing his thing as always. Welding. Man, what's good, what's good? If you guys don't already follow S1 Built, man, they got some crazy cars in here. Check out this Rabbit. It's got some custom one-off stuff. K-Series. All-wheel drive. What's good, what's good?
What's up?
Chilling, bro. Yeah, so check out the rear end over here. You guys can follow S1 Built and check out the whole entire process on this. They also got this Nissan Sentra. Yeah, you know, in the back looks typical, right? But guess what? I can't really see down here. But regardless, the important thing is going on in this car is this K-Series ITB setup. My goodness. You guys already know, if you want to see more progress updates on any of the cars here in S1 shop, be sure to follow S1 on Instagram and on YouTube. I'll be sure to link it in the description below. How many people does it take to handle a shaft?
Usually 3 of us.
Usually 3?
Yeah. Let me start putting you guys
What's Hellboy limping over there?
Start lifting it up.
Hold Hellboy's shaft, Dave.
Help your boy out. So Jay just did a quick notch job to clear the VC to the mounting point. Chad did a little bit of spray frenzy over here. Ah, dang.
You don't see all the good.
All the good goods, you know. What? Well, I don't know what you're talking about, man. It looks good up here.
You need to move that, cut that bolt, or no?
No, we cut it, but it'll be okay. Dave's drive shaft has to stay low anyway.
I went 900. Go check it out, dude. That's Hobby. He's taking it to FL2K.
That's Hobby Tune, you said?
Yeah.
Hobby Tune.
First time racing.
RSX.
How was that class?
So what's going on is both of these cars are going on the big trailer, and the big trailer is going to sit alongside the shop because the Prelude was sitting on the single car trailer, and we're taking the single car trailer to put Dave's CRX on it to go take it to alignment. It just makes it easier to maneuver around with a single car trailer opposed to the 4-stack. So right now we're just loading this up, and then we're going to take this back to the shop. Dave is still working on his CRX right now, putting the drive shaft on, and then once he finishes that, we're going to head to the alignment shop, and we're going to grab some food too, or what?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah. This is a J swap, so you know this thing was missing on a cylinder, but the beautiful part is there's still 5 more cylinders to drive on. Keep going. Got a Kogi grill right next to a gun store. Raheem, we're here for the food, not the gun, all right?
Just let me have a little bit, man.
Yeah, they get 93 full dollars.
Yeah, in Cali, we get only 91. And it's $7 right now, bro. It was $7.14 when I left Cali.
Bro, I saw you posted that, bro.
Oh,
I had a heart attack. I was
man,
like,
I'm so happy I don't even drive as much, so I don't have to pump gas as much.
Bro,
but just to see it hurts.
You got a Honda, bro.
Man, y'all got 93 or $4, man. I'm about to get a bunch of gas and take it home. You know what I'm saying? Southwest got two luggage check-ins, so you know, as long as it doesn't exceed 50 pounds. Look at this.
What you trying to do, bro? We're gonna take some gas to Cali and sell it.
Yeah, boy, I'm about to slang it out there.
I'll be your
Yeah,
gas
we don't
mule
even
out
get
there,
93, man. That's crazy.
What? Two calling straight.
Why did you stop pushing?
Yeah, just stop pushing. Alright, you're good.
That's good. E-brake it.
Watch me. Don't watch nothing else. Hold the brake. Alright, come. Just
I got it.
let go of the brake.
It's on the
Oh, it's on the belt. D-ring.
I got it. Watch me.
Hold the brake a little bit. Hold. Alright.
The intercooler.
Is it the intercooler?
Yeah.
Hold the brakes.
Let go of the brake.
Holding.
You let it go? You let it go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, push it back and then we just
I know this might sound sketchy. Why don't you just drive the van forward?
No, because it's tilted right now with the trailer.
Yeah.
Alright, we got it. Alright.
Orderly. Alarm by DeWitt, bitch by go 8, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're rooting for the weekend. About to fire this thing up real quick so we ain't doing a lot of the, you know, 6-foot gripping. Ooh, it sounds good. Color right there on Hellboy, fire. No! Damn it, boy. Yo, big shout out to DeWitt from TR Autoworks for getting Hellboy into alignment. Everything is within spec, and the car is back here on the lift after hours at S1. And it's pretty much crunch time. You know, we got a lot to do. We got to do the drive shaft and everything still. We got to finish it up, get the drive shaft in place. And I don't know if you guys noticed on the earlier clips, this guy lost his freaking Lexan during his travel. So we're pretty much going to get this car prepped tonight. Whatever we can do, whatever we can get done in preps for FL2K tomorrow.
Boy, young Static out here welding on the Hellboy. Okay. Are you out? Tell TK to come here. T!
I ain't got no secret.
A shout out to Y&S, Yvette and Steve. I lost my back window in the transport and I hit them up that day and they shipped it over next morning. So thank you so much, Yvette and Steve. You guys are freaking awesome. Overnight, I got it. I was so happy. I got it this morning. So we're about to pull it out and probably install it in a little bit.
And you guys already know, Y&S Lexan link is always in the description below. Big shout out to them because they sponsored the H22 build with the Lexan rear windows, and I can't appreciate them enough because they've helped out the community in racing so much, it's ridiculous. So if you guys are looking for Lexans, man, Y&S, description below.
Well, I told Jamie I was gonna hit him up like an hour and a half ago.
No.
Dave said that this car is uncut, like at all.
That's a lie. Undercut.
At all.
Hey, Andy, you want to pull up the side?
At all.
That's how I got coolant dripping.
So yeah, we just got the plates all welded up and it's cooling off right now. Right now we're just gonna throw the shaft on so we can make the extra legs to come off to the VC and the bracketry, but we're one step closer.
My back hurts, my butt hurts.
You're used to it.
Oh, you get used to it.
You get used to it.
What's up, my brother? What you doing?
Chilling, bro.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Out for a quick stroll and No, I'm not going tomorrow. I'm not going. I got a couple weeks to set up in the street.
Okay. What's wrong?
Going down?
Going down. Fucking press my chat.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck?
TK already got the video going out for S1. That's crazy. That's literally today.
It's nice having a conversation.
No, most def, man. Gotta get on that one-on-one level with your tuner, you feel me? Jay Marsh. So right now we're working on getting the Lexan on from Y&S. I already did 2 rivets. I was a little skeptical because I'm not doing this manually. I am using a Milwaukee riveter, and this thing is pretty sick, but it's very sketch because I don't know how much pound it pulls. If it pulls by pound, I know it pulls a lot because you got to break the studs off at the end of these. So it's scary because you can easily crack the Lexan. So far I've been very careful. We're looking good, but if you look over here, this one is kind of aged, like it's old, but you can see all the cracks on the Lexan right there. So the car is on the ground. Obviously we were cleaning the interior with some mishaps that happened earlier today, and we got it all put back together. Dave is tuning in with his tuner to kind of make sure everything is good for tomorrow. And again, the last thing we need to do here is the Lexan, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for tomorrow morning, and then we're gonna head back to the pad, catch some shut-eye, and we're gonna be out here early in the morning.
That's how I know he was over there freaking out. Yeah.
Last minute touch-ups. Dave.
Guys, very late tonight, but it kind of goes always like before race day, and wouldn't have spent it a different way because we're out here with Dave, Raheem, Son, the S1 crew, and we stayed up to finish his car, drive shaft install, wagon rear end, Lexan window. I just finished it a little while ago, gave it a little wipe down. Shout out Y&S Lexan. Definitely not coming off no more because we got like a jillion freaking rivets on here, but ready to go. Dave just finished putting his interior and loaded up his car, so this is all ready to get up on the trailer. Raheem is offloading the 4-car because he is from Maryland, so after the event he's gonna go straight up north, and he is towing Hellboy, so he's just gonna take that with him rather than a single car trailer. So we're just offloading that so we can get this car up on the trailer and ready for tomorrow. Today has been one hell of a day, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Can't believe I'm back in Florida. It's crazy, but we here, and we're definitely gonna have a blast these next upcoming days. We might have a little surprise, I don't know, at the end of FL2K. I'm not entirely sure yet, but we might get into something else, but you guys have to stick around and see that. But as far as this video goes, I'm gonna keep this his own, I guess, prepping Hellboy for FL2K. And then tomorrow is going to be the event. We're going to head out super early in the morning, so you guys are going to have to hit the subscribe button and pretty much enjoy FL2K with me. So we're going to wrap it up right here. Car is going to go up on the trailer. We're going to hit the sack, and then tomorrow morning we're going to head up north to Gainesville, FL2K.